The next step is pretty simple, but it's really easy to mess this up, so I want you to watch carefully while I show you how to do it. Across the bottom of your sheet, your teacher might have a whole number of different classes. Make sure to pick the right class for which you're in. In this case, I'm going to call my class First Name, Last Name, Pre-Cal S1. So whatever class your teacher says that you should get, you want to go to that class's sheet. And now we're going to make a duplicate of the sheet. This duplicate is going to belong to you. So once you found the sheet for your class, click on this little triangle next to it, and then find the option for duplicate. You're going to make a duplicate of that sheet. It might take it a moment for the computer to catch up and create your duplicate. When it does, your duplicate is going to be right next to the original, and so there's the original First Name, Last Name, Pre-Cal S1. Now we're looking at a sheet called Copy of First Name, Last Name, Pre-Cal S1. We need to rename this sheet, or you need to rename this sheet with your name. You can just double click on it and then it becomes selected like that, and leave the Pre-Cal S1 part there, please, or whatever your course name is, but select all the rest of this. Make sure to get the words copy of too. We want to select all that and delete it. Then you're going to add your first name and your last name to the sheet name. Your first name, last name is your actual first name and last name, and then Pre-Cal S1, or whatever the class name is. So for example, I've just named this sheet Jaime Lee Pre-Cal S1. There's no spaces, there's just the two names, first and last, and the name of the course. When I have done, I can simply hit enter or return on your keyboard, and now I've named that sheet and it belongs to me. Once you've gotten that working, go on to the next step, please.